How to start a profitable online Tiffin delivery business. Follow these 9 easy steps to launch your Tiffin service and start earning. Step 1. Research and planning. Identify your target audience: students, professionals, families. Analyze competitors and understand market demand. Define your USP: homemade meals, organic ingredients, diet-specific options. Step 2. Build a strong business plan. Outline your services, pricing and subscription models. Plan your marketing and customer acquisition strategies. Estimate startup costs and revenue projections. Step 3. Legal compliance and permits. Register your business LLC, sole proprietorship, etc. Get food handling and health department approvals. Obtain liability insurance and tax registration. Step 4. Set up your kitchen. Invest in quality kitchen equipment and packaging materials. Plan a nutritious, cost-effective, and rotating menu. Standardize portion sizes for consistency and profitability. Step 5. Leverage technology. Launch a website and mobile app for online orders. Use delivery management and route optimization tools. Track inventory and customer preferences with a CRM system. Step 6. Pricing and subscription models. Offer daily, weekly, or monthly meal plans. Price meals based on ingredients, delivery costs, and competitor analysis. Provide discounts and referral bonuses to attract customers. Step 7. Smart marketing strategies. Build a strong brand, promote through social media. Use customer testimonials. Step 8. Streamline delivery logistics. Define your delivery radius and schedule. Choose in-house or third-party delivery services. Provide real-time tracking and efficient packaging for freshness. Step 9. Quality control and customer feedback. Maintain food taste and hygiene standards. Encourage customer reviews and feedback for improvement. Keep updating your menu based on trends. Ready to launch your Tiffin business? Deonde's SaaS solution simplifies your Tiffin business with an online ordering system, mobile app, and delivery management. Get started now.